This is the elevator, 4th Bayshore Condominium, Building K. See, as you can see, this says Unit 4, and there's also a third Bayshore Condominium, 2nd Bayshore Condominium, and just Bayshore Condominium, I think it is. But yeah, they all have the same kinds of elevators. And so we're gonna go into Building K on the 4th Bayshore Condominium. Right across from here is my community college, the State College of Florida, the Bradenton campus. And here's a look at the elevator. As you can see, it's got GAL fixtures. It's here on one for us. Let's take a look up the shaft. You can't really see much, but you can see it has a GAL interlock. And this is a very small elevator. Look. You can maybe fit 2 people in here. Or 3, I think, but I like the indicator. It's got a pretty low-pitched motor. GAL Jet Plus fixtures, I believe these are. Here's a lookout. Here's your door equipment and all that. Again, GAL interlock. Oh, actually, there is a date. January 1972. Whoa. That would definitely make it not compliant with floor codes. And as you can see, this door does not shut for a long time. So, the door close button does not work. And that doesn't even close when you push the button. It takes a few seconds after that. So capacity 1,200 pounds. This is in fact the smallest elevator I've ever been in. Here's your emergency phone, which is 88 lines. Here's your cab view. And that'll be it.